Hi, welcome to excelhub.org. In this video, we'll discuss about VLOOKUP multiple criteria. Three different ways to check multiple criteria in VLOOKUP. We can see this with the example. Basically, VLOOKUP will check one criteria. So if we give the lookup value, it will check that lookup value in the given table in one particular column, and it will retrieve the data in particular column based on the column index. But in case if we want to check multiple criteria, that is in this case if we want to check both employee number and area together in VLOOKUP function, the one way to do this is to combine both these together, both in lookup value as well as in the table. To combine this in table, we'll have to insert one column, additional column in table. This should be the leftmost column, and we have to combine the multiple criteria, that is employee number and area in this case, in this additional column with this AND function. So it should be like this: column B and column C. So this we should copy and paste to entire table. Then in VLOOKUP formula, for VLOOKUP value also, lookup value also, we should combine these two cells with and now we have to start with column A to column E in table, and we can give the column index to retrieve the information. So this is simple and easy way, but additionally we'll have to add one more column in table. But in case if you don't want to add this additional column in the table, so without adding this column, with the help of VLOOKUP and choose function, we can do the same task. You can see here we look up these multiple criteria and choose 1, 2 column B, that is this column, and column C, column D. So to arrive the result, and the column index is 2 and exact match. So this is an array formula, so you'll have to press Ctrl Shift and enter, then only it will accept. Otherwise, if we press only enter, it will not give you the results. So please don't forget to put Ctrl Shift and enter. You can see this. Similarly, instead of choose function, we can use if function. The formula will look like this: we look up these two multiple criteria with this AND symbol. After that, for lookup table, we have to define if 1, 0, then B and C columns multiple lookup, multiple criteria check, then column D, comma, to give the results. The column index is 2 and again 0. Again this is also an array formula, therefore you'll have to press Ctrl Shift and enter. Yes, you can see the results. For more details you can visit our website excelhub.org and subscribe to our channel to get all these articles related to VLOOKUP. Thank you.